Hi there and welcome everyone to a new Geeks tutorial here from rakmedia.com. In today's video we're going to show you how to install the stock ROM on any Samsung device, and we'll be using the Galaxy S Duos in this guide as a sample. Welcome back. So as we said, we'll show you how to flash stock firmware using the Odin. For flashing the S Duos 7562, we're gonna need some requirements. First, we'll need a Samsung USB driver installed in your computer, and of course you need an official USB driver, one like this, that you will use in the process. Okay. Also, we're gonna need a phone, of course, charged at minimum with 40% of battery, and also we'll need the software Odin 3.07 to find here. You will find, and as we said, the driver of Samsung driver installed in your computer. You'll find the links for this two requirements below the video on our website and on the YouTube channel. So after downloading the drivers and the software, you just install the USB drivers on your PC and reboot it. Next, you download the Odin and save it to your computer and extract its content to your desktop, as we have done here. Next, you need to power off your device, and also you need to extract your SIM card if it is on, and also the memory card. Must take them off and start the process by rebooting into the or booting into the downloading mode. We can do this by pressing the volume down plus the menu button plus the power button. Okay, so all at once together. Yes. Okay, when the phone vibrates, you leave the power button. As you can see here, it will show you a warning message which will say this is gonna install a new OS or a custom ROM. So we'll ignore it and press the volume up to continue. Okay, so as you can see here, it has started on the downloading mode. What you are going to do is to head on to your computer, start the Odin. As we said, you extract it to the desktop, start it with administrator privileges, run as administrator. Okay, it will open. Next, we're gonna connect our computer into the we're gonna connect our phone into the computer using the USB cable. Okay, as you notice here, it is installing the driver software. Means that the computer has recognized your mobile and there is no driver problem. Okay, your device is ready to be used. Okay, must get these two messages, show that things will go on the right way. Yeah. As you can see here, the software has recognized the phone and there is a COM or communication link here. Next, we head on to the PDA, select your custom ROM and wait for charging it. Okay, it has been checked successfully and now it is ready to be installed on your device or flashed into your Samsung. Okay, next we start the process, or click on start. You can see here that the process is starting also on the device, and on the computer it is starting the recovery mode. Okay. This may take a period of time. We need to wait until it finishes successfully.
www.rackmedia.com.
So here we need to mention that you should not interrupt the process, otherwise you will break your device, or will break your device and lose it forever. So you just need to be patient and wait until you finish all the process. It is almost done, just few seconds. Is installing the FAT. You can check the process on your mobile or on the Odin or on the software in your computer, which will show how much is left. caching the image. Okay, it's done. So as you can see, you have a success message on the mobile, which means that it will reboot and it will try to finish the process. Okay. So as you can see here, the process lasts for almost 9 minutes and it finishes with a pass written on your software. That's it. Just click on, after finishing, just click on exit and it is done. It's done. Okay, so and now you have a new fresh mobile phone, which will you will notice the huge difference in performance and battery consumption, etc. Okay, so now all you need to do is to configure your new ROM and start using your mobile. Okay. I need to mention here that the first reboot takes a period of time because it is just installing the ROM for the initial usage. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it. Click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and the notifications to get the latest tutorials that will inspire, empower and connect you.
www.rackmedia.com.
Bye for now, see you next video.